Hi guys, I'm back. Today we're going to talk about rhomboid spasm on the right side. Now, what is that? Rhomboid is a muscle on the right side and it elevates the scapula right here. So let me have my demonstrator over here show you. All right, thank you very much. We're going to turn you around this way. Okay, good. Okay, good. So like right here, you have this bone right here called the scapula, okay? And there's a muscle that attaches to this side and it comes right to the spinuses right through in here. And what happens is, like, when he takes his shoulder and brings it in this way and brings it up, the rhomboid helps this action right here. And so many people have a problem with spasm right through in here. So they go to a massage therapist, they go to the chiropractor, they get adjusted, they get it massaged, trigger points, but it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Why? Because this pain is referred by the gallbladder, okay? If you don't believe me, go ahead and just try this at home and then you'll see that it's true. Because I've been in practice for 29 years and I can't tell you how many times I've worked on the rhomboid. Before I knew about this, I mean, just beating that muscle up, massaging it, it keeps coming back over and over and over again. Okay, it doesn't go away. So the gallbladder is right underneath the right rib cage, right through in here. Okay, so sometimes it's tucked underneath the rib cage. And there's a little nerve underneath your diaphragm called the phrenic nerve, and it comes right up through here. And it can actually, when the gallbladder is swollen or congested, it puts pressure on the liver, and it starts to cause referred pain, sometimes up here, but also in the rhomboid area, especially if there is a problem with the bile duct. Okay, there's a little tube from the liver that connects to the gallbladder. This little duct, and has receptors for lectins, okay? So if you're consuming a lot of nuts, okay, or other foods that are higher in lectins, that can aggravate this area and cause inflammation and cause pain back here, okay? So you can try several things. You can start eating healthily, avoid nuts though, and the problem will probably go away. But if you're doing like refined carbohydrates, that can cause an irritation here, or you're doing sugar, or junk food, or alcohol, or anything that is not healthy, that will create tension here and causes pain to flare up. Okay, so I'm going to recommend intermittent fasting and healthy ketosis. If you're new to my channel, just click the link down below. I show you exactly how to do it, okay? And that will improve this. But intermittent fasting is very, very important because if you're eating too frequently, that's going to create a problem with the gallbladder. Now, one thing that you can do just to prove that it's gallbladder related is let's just pretend that he has pain back here, okay? And it's just like a spasm. So what you do right now, if you have the pain, just go ahead and rate it on a scale from 1 to 10. 10 being very severe, 0 being no pain. Okay, let's say it's a 5. Then what you do is you take your hand and you're gonna press in there and massage right underneath the rib cage. So just hold that right there for about an hour. No, just kidding. So he's going to just kind of move this back and forth and massage, find the tension, find the tightness, and hold that. And then re-rate the numbers after about 15 seconds. Like, there was a 5. What is it now? You'll see the numbers going, wow, that just loosened that right up. Well, that's because you're allowing the flow to go through there. Okay, this is just a good, simple demonstration to show you the connection between where the cause is and where the symptom is over here. Because when you step on a dog's tail, where does he bark?
From the mouth.
Thank you. You're going to mess with his tail? No. Okay. But right down here, it's going to be real congested. It's a real simple test. And if you massage this whole area and this doesn't go away, well, there's a chance that it could be just coming from this. Maybe you tore it. But 99% of the time that I've observed, this is referred right through in here. Okay, and sometimes you might need to do some massage up underneath the rib cage on the right side to the liver as well, because sometimes that area gets all congested. Go ahead and do that and put your comments down below. And I'll be very curious to see how you react when you see how simple this is to get rid of a pain on your right rhomboid. All right, we'll see you later. So if you want more knowledge on how to create a healthy body, subscribe now and get daily notifications. Daily notifications, that sounds weird. Well, I'll just remind you on a daily basis. How about that?